So welcome back guys. Today we are going to see that how we can just get the substring from a string. So if we have already a string, how we can just get the substring from that string. Okay, and let's just go with our main method. So let's say I have a string here is that is holding out hello world together. Okay, now let's say I just want to get out this tree of the sorry up till hello. I want, as I told you, the index starts from 0. Okay, and so from 0 1 2 3 4, make sure that whenever you are okay, let me just type out first of all. So if you would, let's just go first of all to system.out.print. Okay, and if you would use the substring method for getting a substring, you can give the indexes of starting and ending. So let's say 0 would be the starting index, comma I can give the ending index. So what is the ending index? 0 1 2 3 4. Fourth, at fourth I'm getting O. Make sure that you would be giving out every time the ending index by +1. If I'm getting hello at fourth, I need to give the ending index with +1, that is 5. Okay, because at the end it is not capturing out the fifth index letter value. Okay, it's always going to the one lesser. So let's just try to run. That's what we receive, right? So make sure that whenever you are writing it out, okay, if I'll just take only a single letter, let's say I'm giving out only a single index. um let's say I'm giving out only 4. Okay, let's check out the result. It's giving me OWORLD. That is because it is going to start out from the fourth index, that is 0, and up till last we haven't given the ending index, so it is by default taking the last index as the ending index. So whenever you're writing out a single, that means it is going to take it as a starting index. Okay, so you can just try to do the practical things with the indexes, and you can just try to get the substrings from your strings. I hope this is this is fine. Thank you so much.